Jio Financial Services, in fact, JioFin came out with its quarterly earnings last evening. Surprisingly, net profit up 101% quarter on quarter without an actual, understanding of what the business model is. How do you explain these numbers, Suyash?
I mean, the 101% rise looks glorious, right? But let's break it down. Let's hold our horses there. Now, this was the first quarterly announcement from the company after its listing back in August. Now, the new company is yet to start the business. So, the numbers that are trickling in, at least as far as Q2 is concerned, is from its old subsidiaries, its associates, as well as its joint ventures. Now, if we look at the numbers, Shweta, broadly, the profit figure, of course, grew by about 101% on a quarter-on-quarter basis to 668.18 crore. Now, this growth was supported in profitability, was supported by a dividend income of about 217 crore and additionally a dividend income from associates of about 154 crore. But again, this 101% rise we are seeing, I was actually studying the financial statements released by the company, and one of the things that caught my eye was that cash flow from operations, in fact, for the previous quarter was negative at around 132 crore. So the company is actually incurring losses from its operations. Now, this is okay because the company is actually not doing any business as of yet. Now, the profit that we are seeing of about 608 crore rupees comes from the investing activities, which is by the way of dividends from both associates as well as its parent company Reliance Industries. So, Mr. Baliga, I mean, what sort of a weightage would you even give to the results of Jio Financial results? Is it an event for the stock, or is it a complete non-event, considering that we don't even know what the newly minted company is going to do going forward?
I think we have to take it as a non-event because it doesn't make any sense discussing the earnings of Jio Financial because there is actually no real business in the company right now. I mean, all that one is betting on is the group and the deep pockets they have and the sort of a disruption they have brought into retail and telecom. I mean, people are expecting a similar sort of a disruption happening in the financial services market going ahead with the Jio Financial. So as of now, I don't think these earnings make any sense at all because end of the day, most of the revenue is from dividends, and this was a dividend season, and that's why that's one of the reasons why the dividends have come in. So I don't think we should give any weightage to it. I think one should look at Geo Financial possibly a year or 2 years down the line if you really want to discuss the financials. I mean, right now it's a story.
Okay, and reading the management commentary, when do we expect operations to finally kickstart? Any clarity on, there's going to be, of course, a regulatory challenge, an insurance regulator, an AMC regulator, a whole host of regulatory clearances that the company will have to take. What sort of timeline are we looking at before the operations kickstart?
I think we should safely look at possibly Q2 of FY25 for the operations to really kick off.
Q2 of FY25, that's the timeline Ambareesh is putting to it.